Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on outside weather-wise this morning. And you can see we're starting off the day with some showers and thunderstorms moving through the mountains. There are some isolated showers showing up on radar, especially over southern Rowan County. Not sure if those are making it to the ground, but we'll certainly keep an eye on it, keep you updated as we go through the morning hours. But we will see rain chances increase as we go through the day today. So certainly another round of rain moving through it, some much needed rain around the area. Nothing severe to worry about at this point. We've got a general thunderstorm risk from the Storms Prediction Center. And you can see we're starting the day off at 72 degrees at the Mid-Carolina Airport, 66 up in Boone and Jefferson, starting the day off up there. And then mainly a lot of 73s on the map for the warm spots around the area as well this morning. We'll warm up to the mid 80s as we go through the day today. Some mostly cloudy skies. After this patchy fog clears, will keep us kind of, I wouldn't say extremely cool, but cooler than we have been. We certainly won't reach the 90s today, and the heat index values certainly will not get up to around 100. So by those standards, it's going to be cool today. We'll go ahead and actually pan out a little bit now and take a look at the Atlantic and the tropics and what we've got going on here, because we are getting busy here in the Atlantic Ocean over the last couple of days. We've got 3 storms out here, 2 named and 1 probably on the verge of being named. So here's Fred, and we'll start with Fred first and getting close. You can see Fred getting closer and closer to making landfall in Florida. It's a tropical depression right now, but it will possibly make landfall as a tropical storm, and it's going to make landfall just west of Panama City Beach in Florida, so something to keep an eye on there. Heavy rains are likely going to occur in that area as we go through the day-to-day. Winds are going to be pretty strong. And as Fred makes its way north-northeast as we go through the next few days, it will bring rainfall along with it. So we'll see some rain associated with Fred in the area. We're going to be on the northeast side of this storm, so a fair amount of rainfall is going to be coming, and we certainly need it, especially with our drought conditions. So something to certainly keep track of. I'd say our wettest days this week are going to be tomorrow and Wednesday. And then we've got Grace down here, which is going to take more of a southerly track and actually make landfall probably in Mexico at this point. But we'll continue to keep an eye on Grace because any shifts north, any turn to the north-northeast brings us additional rainfall that we could see out of the system. As of right now, not really looking like it's going to be an impact to the United States at all, except for maybe into the Gulf Coast area along Texas there at the seawall. Locations like that could see some rough surf. And then we've got what is called potential tropical cyclone 8 right now out over the Atlantic just off the Carolina coast. This system not expected to impact us directly. It could cause some strong surf along the North and South Carolina coast, but otherwise it's expected to stay over water and be what we call a fish storm. If this storm should happen to become named, but it's likely that it will be Henri, which will be our H name that's coming up. So something that we'll keep you updated on as well. But the Atlantic is certainly getting busy here as we get to the middle of August. And that's really all that's out there. So at this moment, nothing else that is of any concern, but we'll continue to keep you updated if more storms pop up or more disturbances pop up that need to be taken, that we need to take a look at over the Atlantic. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Visit Rowan County. We'll come back. We'll give you the weather impacts for today, the 5-day forecast, and more right after this.
When you're ready to travel, let's give it another go.
Weather Impact sponsored by Patterson Farm. The fall educational school tours coming up September 17th through November the 5th. You can book your tour at visitpattersonfarm.com or get more information about the tours. They're also going to have corn mazes going on out there, virtual corn mazes as well. The pumpkin patch coming up to kind of culminate the fall events as we get closer to Halloween. So a lot going on out at Patterson Farm as we go through the fall months of the year. We'll see patchy fog give way to mostly cloudy skies as we move through the morning hours. Winds will be out of the south-southeast at around 5 miles an hour. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely later this afternoon and during the evening hours, and rainfall accumulations of 1/4 to 1/2 inch possible. Higher amounts are possible with thunderstorms. If you get a thunderstorm that moves over, that could kind of linger for a little bit. So something to keep an eye on there. We'll keep you updated on that as we go through the day and into the evening hours. The Pollen Outlook sponsored by Good Nights Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers continue to be grasses, chenopod's, and ragweed. We'll see medium levels of pollen today. Some rain will wash some of that pollen away and give us some low levels on Tuesday for a bit of relief. And then as we head to the last half of the work week, we'll see high levels Wednesday through Friday. The mowing forecast, a little bit of opportunity to get out there and get something done this morning and maybe into the early afternoon hours, as we'll see rain chances really start to pick up. Things will become isolated as we get to around midday, and then they'll become scattered as we move to around, I'd say, 4 o'clock this afternoon, to more widespread as we head into the evening hours. So, rain will gradually make its way into the area. So something to continue to monitor as you go through the day to day, especially if you're doing any work outside. Tuesday and Wednesday, we've got the red lights out there. Not going to rain every single minute of the day on both of those days, but it should rain enough that it'll keep you sidelined for the most part and really interfere with trying to get anything done outside. The mosquito forecast has extreme levels of activity today and Friday, and then Tuesday through Thursday, we're looking at high levels of activity for the mosquitoes. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsored the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today, we'll see mostly cloudy skies as we make our way through the morning hours. Some isolated showers and thunderstorms starting to make their way through as we start to move into the afternoon. And then we'll see more widespread rain by this evening. High of 86, 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms today with a low of 70 this evening. On Tuesday, we'll see an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Again, not a complete washout. It's not going to rain every minute of the day, but it'll certainly rain most of the day. High of 81, low of 69. Wednesday, we'll see another repeat. 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms as we make our way through the day. Again, not a washout, but it'll certainly rain most of the day. High of 84, low of 70. On Thursday, we'll see a 60% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms as we make our way through the day and evening hours. High of 87, low of 69. And then on Friday, we'll see a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms during the morning hours and maybe the early afternoon. We'll see partly cloudy skies by the evening on Friday. We'll see a high of 88 and a low of 68. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG-TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire, channel 394, Spectrum, channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Monday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.